Ingredients: 1 cup semolina, suji/rava, 2 medium-sized potatoes, boiled and diced 1 onion, finely chopped 1 green chili, finely chopped 1 teaspoon ginger, grated 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves, chopped. For garnish, oil. For cooking instructions: heat oil in a pan or kadayi over medium heat. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds, let them splatter. Add the finely chopped onions, green chili, and grated ginger. Sauté till the copyright until the onions turn golden brown. Add the diced boiled potatoes to the pan and mix well with the onion mixture. In a separate pan, dry roast the semolina on low heat until it turns golden brown and gives off a nutty aroma. Make sure to stir continuously to prevent burning. Add the roasted semolina to the potato mixture in the pan. Mix well to combine. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix everything thoroughly. Reduce the heat to low and cover the pan. Let the mixture cook for 5–7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together and the semolina to absorb the moisture. Remove the lid and give the mixture a good stir. If the mixture appears dry, you can add a little water to adjust the consistency. Cook for another 2–3 minutes until the aloo suji is well cooked and the flavors are well blended. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Serve the hot and flavorful aloo suji as a standalone dish or as a side with yogurt, pickle, or chutney of your choice. Enjoy the comforting and delicious aloo suji, packed with the goodness of potatoes and semolina. This dish is a perfect option for a hearty breakfast or a quick and satisfying snack that will surely be loved by everyone.